In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. There are a lot of reasons why you may need your Instagram password. It may be due to the fact that you want to log in into your account on another device or PC. So make sure to watch this video until the very end because I'm going to show you two different solutions on how you can find your password on Instagram. The first method that you can use is to first go ahead and head over to your browser and open Instagram.com. Now in here, you'll be able to find this autofill option for your keyboard if you have it turned on. Now if you have that turned on, you can simply use that autofill feature to be able to view your password. Now another way to view your password is to head over to your Google account. Now on your Google account, go ahead and head over to the security section by clicking on the security section. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to find this manage passwords button. So click on that. Now you'll be able to find all of the accounts that you saved for your Google account in this section. Now if you have your Instagram credentials saved in this section, you can simply click on that and view your password along with the username that you've used with that password. If you found this video helpful, or you know any other tricks and method on how to see your Instagram account password, then leave them in the comments down below. Consider giving this a like if you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.